So we made a video, yes, this particular video talking about the screencast feature that is right inside of our YouTube studio, right? Yes, all of you remember this video. I saw so many comments thanking us for putting this out. But did you know that inside of this video, we actually had something called filling the gap? So there was a gap inside that video that, but for your questions, we will not have discovered that we did not capture that part, of the lecture. So that's basically what I want to bring out to you right now. Never get tired of engaging with us on the comment section, because without your engagement, we won't even know if we are feeding you with what you actually want or we are just blabbing away. Like I said, it is only the questions that resulted from this video that is making us now to bring a part 2 of the screencast. And what is this question? I never knew that most of us do not actually know how to loop our videos right from our gallery. So it's not only when your video is on Restream or OBS or StreamYard or any of those things that you can actually loop. You can loop your video right from your phone gallery. So when I put out the screencast procedure on how you can do the screencast, I got so many questions about, you're talking about looping. Where do I loop? Where do I loop? And I just took it for granted. I took it for granted that all of us know exactly where we can loop our videos right from our gallery, or yes, your phone gallery. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be taking you through right now. Like you all know, I remain the face behind the Wholesome Kids channel. My name is Peggy. All I do here is hold my parent creators' hands so that we can together navigate the streets of YouTube and then also raise our children wholesomely, because I would always say you cannot raise a wholesome kid if you are not a wholesome parent. I'm sharing my screen right now, okay? I'm sharing my screen right now, and I click on my gallery pictures, my gallery videos, pictures, whatever it is, photos. Maybe your own phone is going to be showing you photos, I don't know. So you just click on it. Look for let me see, what video can I, okay, let me take this video here. This young man doing his thing. That's my son. It's loading. Okay. So that's my son. He's doing his thing. He loves to be in front of the camera. He loves to be in front of the camera. So I just needed to mute what he was saying so that it doesn't interface with our business here. Okay. So I have this video. I'm playing it. I want to put it on Restream, or I want to put it on screencast. No, we're talking about screencast now. So I want to put this video straight on screencast right now. This is what I'll do. It's playing already. If you look at the top corner of the screen, you're going to see the 3 dots. All the time we talk about the 3 dots, yes. We have the 3 dots here. All you want to do is click on the 3 dots. When you click on the 3 dots, it may have a different language, a different nomenclature, and a different interface on your phone, depending on the kind of phone we're using. So on my own, the first item that jumped out says about, meaning they are giving you information about this video. That's not what I'm looking for. The very second item there, which is the loop video on, is what I am looking for. So this video has not gotten to any of the platform. It's just inside my own phone gallery. So I'm going to loop it. In fact, my loop is already on, and my loops are permanently on my video. Guys, you know me. You know me. You know I'm the screenshot mama. I'm the Restream mama. I'm the StreamYard mama. Stay tuned for the StreamYard video. That's another place that you can get your 4,000 watch hours like psh. The next video you're going to be receiving from me is the StreamYard video. So I'm going to click on loop on video on. I've clicked on it. Now, remember, mine was on. So if I click on it, that means I've turned it off, just like you're seeing now. Video, loop video off, okay? So if it plays to the 53rd second, it is going to stop. I wouldn't want to wait until it gets there so that we don't make this video too long. So let me go back and put it back on. Then I'll leave this guy to play onto the 53rd second, you'll see that on its own, it will just start replaying again right from your phone gallery, not anywhere else, right from your phone gallery. Okay, so the young man is still doing his thing. That thing he did like this, it means God bless Nigeria. He likes it. That's his outro. You know, if you watched his videos before, that's his outro. If you haven't watched his videos, I implore you. His channel is My Little Knowledge with Obichi. He's doing a wonderful job in that channel. I'm going to just flash the page of his channel here right now. Please do follow him. Let your children watch his videos because he brings educational, fun videos for children. So our loop is still going. Our loop is still going. I really hope this guy is recording this thing. Our loop is still going. Okay. So it's still going, it's still going, it's still going, it's still going, it's still going. What's the young man saying? I like his hand gestation. Again, God bless Nigeria. Okay, so that's basically it. That's basically it. It's gone back again. So I'm going to stop this guy. Um, I'm going to stop this guy. Stop the recording. Stop the recording, and you know that's just that. Okay, that is it. That's basically how you can loop your video right from your phone gallery so that you can use it for your screencast. Like I said, watch out for the next video. It's going to be a banger. That one will give you your 4,000 watch hours at a blink of an eye. We do this research and we bring it out here so that you will not suffer the fate that we suffered. If you haven't subscribed to this channel up till this moment, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the place